Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you guys could see by the title, I have a new handbag revealed. If you guys are new, hi, welcome. My name is Karima. Hopefully you guys can subscribe down below on the red button, and don't forget to give this video a like. So I've been wanting this bag, this collection, at least since it came out. When it came out, I was like, oh my god, I need it in my life, but I didn't get it. So it's been hard. I've been looking everywhere for this item, and let me tell you, it's a hard item to find, and for like an affordable price. Because I've seen it for like more than 4 grand. I don't have 4 grand to spend, but let me show you guys. I did get myself a Louis Vuitton bag, my first Louis Vuitton bag, and I'm so excited. I love my bag. So let me tell you where I purchased it and things like that, since it was a limited edition. So I did find it through Poshmark. Poshmark is an app. The Poshmark authenticates if you spend more than 500. They authenticate the item. Got it for a good price. It came with the box and the bag, the dust bag, and everything. It is a magnetic like closure. I mean, I'm using it right now, but it comes with the dust bag, the receipt, and then it also comes with a Posh authenticate card saying that it's been reviewed and it's authentic and stuff like that. But let me show you my bag. And the lipstick or the lip gloss that I'm wearing, it's very glossy. I haven't worn this in super long time, but it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the lip gloss in Tara. It's a lip gloss in Tara, and it's such a beautiful color. But my new handbag. So this is my new handbag that I got. It is the limited edition, the Pochette Métis Inferno, something like, I don't know the actual name, but it's the Pochette Métis bag in the limited edition color. I just love everything about this. Sorry you guys could hear noise in the background. This is the only time I have to record, and someone decided to make noise, but I mean, we could not listen to that. But anyways, I just love everything about this. I love the color combo, the whole black, red, and silver hardware. Like, I'm a sucker for silver hardware. It's such a beautiful bag to me, at least. It's so pretty. It has a zipper on the back, which I don't really use because, I mean, there's nothing to put. I mean, you can put your phone, and then it has a little clasp. Open it. So you open it, and then the inside is still the same thing. The different thing is that the inside it's like an olive green suede fabric. It's something different. I mean, it's not my favorite like combo like this, but it is something different, and it's something unique, and I mean, I still like it. So it has 3 compartments. I do have all my stuff inside here. It fits a lot of stuff. It's very soft on the inside as well, and it fits a lot. Let's do like a little mini review, like what's in my bag situation here. So let's start with the first compartment here. So in this compartment, I have my sunglasses, which is the Key times Jaclyn Hill sunglasses, and they are this ones, which I love. They're very edgy and nice, very Jaclyn Hill, you know. Receipt, and then I have a lipstick in Fenty Beauty in the shade Freckle Fiesta, and it's like a burnt orange kind of shade. It's really pretty, something unique she makes. So that's what I have in the first one. On my second one, I have my card case, which is from Aritzia. You guys probably seen it before, and it's just my pink card case, which I have like all my coupons, gift cards, and stuff like that. The next one, I have my agave lip mask by the brand Bite, and this is amazing especially for winter. If you have chapped lips, this is amazing. I have it in the brown shade. So the next thing I have is my roller balm, and the perfume I'm using right now, it's my Burberry, which I love this perfume. It reminds me of fall and winter. This just reminds me of rain and things like that. It just smells amazing. Oh, I love this. Smells amazing. The last thing I have in the second compartment is my wallet. This is a Dior accordion kind of thing wallet. I got this in my what I got in LA video. It fits a lot, and I just love the shade of red, and I mean, it goes with my bag. And then the last compartment that I have, another lipstick. Why do I have so many lipsticks? It's another one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the mini trio. I got this in a Hudson liquid lipstick, which is a really pretty color too. And then I just have my passport, and then that's all I have. I mean, obviously you could fit more stuff than you can, but I don't like my bag too heavy. I don't like to put a lot of things. It fits a lot of stuff, and it has the Louis Vuitton here. This one is a little bit more tighter. This one is the widest of the compartments in here, but it's very beautiful. The only thing, so this is a strap as well, is that the strap is like a hard canvas. So there is like a hard canvas, the strap, but other than that, this bag is everything. Even like the black handle here, the black handle is amazing. I love this bag. It's not your typical like the other Pochette Métis, which the other one is beautiful and everything. They have in the reversible style, the monogram one, and then I think that's all they have, and then they have the leather type. But when I saw this one, I felt like this one was something unique, something that you're not gonna see that often on people like the other one. But I just love this bag. If you guys are looking for this typical bag, I recommend searching a lot because it is a hard bag to get your hands. But I mean, you guys could probably find it. But this, so far, I love this bag. I've been using it since I got it, and I got it, I believe, the end of October, I think. And I love that bag. I have non-stop using it, and it carries so much. I highly recommend the Pochette Métis if you guys thinking about getting it. Is it worth it? Stuff like that. To me, it is worth spending that much money because you get so much use of the handbag, and it fits a lot of stuff. A lot. And I believe also like Louis Vuitton has warranty or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but I think, not sure. That's all for our video. Hopefully you guys liked what's in my bag / reveal / mini review. Hopefully you guys like that, and don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a like, and until next time, bye.